Hey everyone! Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best kitchen towels you can buy right now. I've compared 5 different options to help you find the right combination of absorbency, durability, and everyday value without wasting your money. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Utopia Towels Kitchen Towels 12-pack, 15 by 25 inches, 100% ring-spun cotton super soft and absorbent linen dish, tea and bar towels set, black. The Utopia Towels Kitchen Towels 12-pack is best known in the US market for offering a large quantity of cotton kitchen towels at a practical everyday value. This type of towel set is extremely popular among American households because kitchen towels tend to get dirty quickly, and most families prefer having plenty of clean replacements available throughout the week. In real-world US homes, these towels are used for far more than simply drying dishes. American homeowners frequently use kitchen towels for wiping countertops, cleaning spills, drying hands, handling hot cookware, covering rising dough, drying produce after washing, and even general household cleaning tasks. One of the biggest strengths of this set is the 12-piece quantity. Many Americans appreciate having enough towels to rotate throughout the week without constantly running laundry cycles. In busy households with children, pets, and heavy cooking activity, kitchen towels can pile up surprisingly fast. The 100% ring-spun cotton construction is another major advantage. Cotton remains one of the most popular materials for kitchen towels because it balances softness, absorbency, and durability. For everyday tasks like drying dishes or wiping counters, cotton performs consistently well. Number 2. Premium Kitchen Towels, 20 inches by 28 inches, 6-pack, large cotton dish towels, flat and terry highly absorbent kitchen linen set with hanging loop. The Premium Kitchen Towels 20 inches by 28 inches 6-pack is best known in the US market for offering larger-sized kitchen towels with a combination of flat weave and terry cloth construction designed for multiple kitchen tasks. In American kitchens, larger towels are often preferred by people who cook frequently because they provide more surface area for drying dishes, cleaning counters, handling cookware, and performing food preparation tasks. One of the first things US buyers notice is the generous size. At 20 by 28 inches, these towels are noticeably larger than many standard kitchen towels. That extra size can make a real difference when drying multiple dishes, large serving platters, baking sheets, or cookware. The combination of flatweave and terry towel designs is another major strength. Flatweave towels are often preferred for drying glassware and dishes because they tend to leave less lint behind. Terry towels, on the other hand, excel at absorbing spills and moisture quickly. Another practical feature is the hanging loop. It sounds like a small detail, but many homeowners appreciate being able to hang towels conveniently on hooks inside pantry doors, kitchen cabinets, laundry rooms, or RV kitchens. The absorbency is a major selling point for buyers who spend a lot of time cooking. Whether you're cleaning up after family dinners, holiday cooking sessions, or weekend meal prep, highly absorbent towels can make kitchen work noticeably easier. These towels also fit well into several common US lifestyles. They're useful for large family kitchens, home bakers, cooking enthusiasts, and anyone who entertains guests regularly. Number 3. Infinity Exclusives 100% Cotton Kitchen Towels 15 by 25 inch Ultra Soft Tea Towel, Super Absorbent Terry Dish Towels for Kitchen Linens. The Infinity Exclusives 100% Cotton Kitchen Towels are best known in the US market for delivering a balance of softness, absorbency, and everyday practicality. These are the type of kitchen towels many American households buy when they want something that feels more premium than basic discount store towels but still practical enough for daily use. In real-world US kitchens, these towels are used for much more than drying dishes. Homeowners frequently use them to wipe countertops, dry hands, clean up spills, cover bread dough during baking, dry freshly washed produce, and handle general kitchen cleanup throughout the day. One of the biggest strengths is the 100% cotton construction. Cotton remains the preferred material for many American buyers because it naturally absorbs moisture well while staying relatively soft after repeated washing. The terry-style design is another major advantage. Terry cloth towels are known for holding a significant amount of water, making them useful for drying dishes, cookware, and kitchen surfaces without needing constant wringing. Another thing buyers appreciate is the towel size. At approximately 15 by 25 inches, they strike a nice middle ground. They're large enough for serious kitchen work but still compact enough to hang comfortably from oven handles or cabinet hooks. For families who cook regularly, these towels can become part of the daily routine. Whether you're cleaning up after breakfast, preparing lunch, or washing dishes after dinner, absorbent cotton towels tend to see constant use. Now let's discuss the downsides. Like many cotton towels, they may shed a small amount of lint during the first few wash cycles. They also require proper laundering to maintain softness and absorbency over time. Number 4. Urban Villa Kitchen Towels 100% Cotton Dish Towels for Kitchen, set of 4, 20-inch x 30 dishcloths. Highly absorbent kitchen linen set with hanging loop, perfect for drying dishes. Cleaning towels multicolor. The Urban Villa Kitchen Towels set of 4 is best known in the US market for offering extra-large cotton kitchen towels designed for heavier-duty kitchen work and higher absorbency. In American homes, larger towels often appeal to people who cook frequently, bake regularly, entertain guests, or simply prefer having more towel surface area available for cleaning and drying tasks. One of the first things that stands out is the generous 20 by 30-inch size. That's noticeably larger than many standard kitchen towels sold in retail stores. For busy kitchens, that additional size can make a significant difference. In real-world use, these towels work well for drying large pots, pans, serving platters, cutting boards, and baking sheets. Home bakers often appreciate larger towels because they can also be used to cover dough during proofing. The 100% cotton material provides strong absorbency for common kitchen tasks. Whether you're cleaning up after cooking dinner, drying dishes, or wiping down countertops, cotton remains one of the most versatile kitchen towel materials. Another practical feature is the hanging loop. Many Americans like hanging kitchen towels from hooks near sinks, pantry doors, laundry rooms, or RV kitchens. The multicolor design can also help households organize towel usage. Some families assign different colors for hand drying, dish drying, and cleaning purposes. Number 5. Microfiber Dish Towels, Soft, Super Absorbent and Lint-Free Kitchen Towels 8-pack, Lattice Designed Gray Colors, 26 by 18 inch. The microfiber dish towels 8-pack is best known in the US market for providing high absorbency, quick drying performance, and lint-free cleaning capabilities. Unlike traditional cotton kitchen towels, microfiber towels are designed using synthetic fibers that excel at trapping moisture, dust, and debris. This makes them particularly popular among Americans who prioritize cleaning efficiency. In real-world US homes, microfiber kitchen towels are frequently used for drying dishes, cleaning countertops, wiping appliances, polishing stainless steel surfaces, cleaning glass, and handling everyday spills. One of the biggest strengths is the lint-free performance. Many American buyers specifically choose microfiber when drying wine glasses, mirrors, stainless steel refrigerators, or shiny kitchen surfaces because it leaves behind fewer fibers compared to some cotton towels. Another major advantage is absorbency. Microfiber can absorb significant amounts of liquid relative to its weight, making it highly effective for cleaning spills and drying dishes. The larger 26 by 18 inch dimensions also provide good coverage for a variety of kitchen tasks. That's my roundup of the top 5 best kitchen towels. Whether you're drying dishes, cleaning up spills, or stocking your kitchen with reliable essentials, there's a great option here for you. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.